Panguva ino patiri kuona kuti ava kuZambia vari kuchema their former president Edgar Lungu, panapa pane mashoko obuda achinzi panguva yethe coup, the 2017 military coup, kuonekwa kunzi mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe akaofewa kuvanda aiwa naEdgar Lungu. Zisati tapinda mashoko ari kubuda nyogwa panapa ndikutsanangurwa neZimbabwe subscribe like on the bell icon. Kubuda panapa pachiposta post yoto paX inobuda nyogwa kunzi tribute to Edgar Chagwa Lungu, may his dear soul rest in peace. With the passage of President Edgar Lungu, 68, Zambia no longer is a former president who is alive. All six are gone. Former president ordinarily are citadels or repositories of wisdom and are consulted from time to time by incumbents as long as they do not constitute a threat and are no longer active in partisan politics. I worked closely with the late, and my last duty as Mugabe's last serving foreign affairs minister was as his special envoy to Edgar Lungu at the height of the November 2017 transition in Zimbabwe. So I arrived at the State House in Lusaka on the 30th of November with my sealed envelope and accompanied by Ambassador Takawira. am receiving and ushered into Lungu's office, and after exchange of nice ties and hospitalities, the president, before he opens the letter, bursts out, "Minister, if you are looking for ED, he is not here. Your intelligence is accusing me of hiding Mnangagwa here, but even though I don't have him here, just know that if he was here, he would be at home in Zambia. He is a Zambian by all accounts, and we have a responsibility to protect him if his life is under threat. There are two people who would take here from your government without question, because their links are backgrounds. It's you and him." That said, without even opening your envelope, go and tell President Mugabe to smoke the peace pipe with his generals to avert a coup coming to your country in the next 24 to 48 hours. We would hate to see Mugabe go the undignified way. So instead of proceeding to meet Zuma in Cape Town, as you say, find the next flight to Harare and broker this meeting. I immediately compiled and took the next Emirates flight back to Harare, looked for Mugabe on landing, but he was not available until the following morning in cabinet. Surprised to see me, but very irritable at the same time. Twice in cabinet, Watiringa, his personal assistant, brought messages from the command element that they wanted to meet him, resonating with my own feedback from Lungu, which he also ignored. The rest is history. Thomas Waruda Pangwa ino pano Lungu anga nema accusations ekunzi aiwa but the 2017 military coup aiwa akanga akaviga mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe Maswanda Mnangagwa. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda atokona kuti these are some pieces of evidence zimwe zvakungobuda panguva ino vatokona kuti pakusakatika kana kushaika kwaita the former president wemuZambia. Pena comment section medu mudzi mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pena comment section medu mudzi mafungiro enyu. Don't subscribe or like, hit on the bell.